And we're back with the GoPro turned on. We've come about not quite a mile since I turned it off. This is where we joined Putnam Pathways bicycle trail. Actually, technically it's People Pathways. Got Elizabeth back there behind me. I've got an extra light here on the bike that I can turn on. There we go. That's on its lowest setting. That's an Emerald MS03 flashlight. And I've got put together a little kit for mounting it on the handlebars, which holds it very securely, and it adds some really nice light up close to the bicycle. I've got the headlight on this HeyBike BRAWN set to where the cutoff is at the horizon, so that puts the light a good bit out in front of you. Hit some big bumps here. Elizabeth, can you still hear me?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're not too far back, I guess.
No, I'm not.
And let's hit the gravel, lots of bumps. Wonder how well the GoPro will smooth that out. I'll check the video tonight and see what it looks like. More bumps. Flashing you see is I've got a strobe on my helmet with the red light in front. Got a few cars up here, honey. I've got it's got a white strobe in the front, red strobe in the back. It's just a little cylindrical light assembly that clips on the top of the helmet. Heading back up the hill. GoPro is still recording. I think I'll probably turn off the GoPro when we get partway back to town. Actually, I don't want to risk it corrupting any of my videos. I may stop the GoPro when we get to the top of the hill. Yeah, it's been at 1% battery for the last 20-25 minutes. I'll turn off the camera when we get up here to the windy part. Going through the big bumps here. Oh man, you need to fix those. Those ridges stick up about 4 inches in the trail. It's far enough to, you know, trip people when they're walking. We're almost to the darkest hour of the night. room to catch up here. Bench up here. Good place to stop. If I turn off the flashlight, my extra flashlight, you'll see the beam pattern of this HeyBike BRAWN. That's the BRAWN headlight there. It's got a very good cutoff at the top. So you can set that cutoff at the horizon, get a pretty good light pattern. But I've got this other flashlight, or an add-on flashlight. It's an Emerald MS03, and that's its lowest setting. I can put it on turbo, and this thing is super bright. That's on turbo. And that's back on its lowest setting. It's 13,000 lumens on turbo. But on the lowest setting, this thing will run for a couple of days. Giving Elizabeth time to catch up. Elizabeth, are you back there? She ought to be catching up a little bit. I'm going to run just a little further ahead. Up on the street, I'm going to stop the GoPro. A few more miles to go tonight in the dark. I don't think the GoPro is going to keep up with it. I think I've done good to get this many minutes out of the GoPro, but at the risk of corrupting my files, I don't want to let it run any longer. We've been at 1% battery now for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we're going to stop the GoPro and have a good night.